What if ang car show ngayon is walang runner-up? So lahat champion. What if ang car show is pinaghahandaan na ulit? Yung bibili ka ng mags, ilalagay mo sa auto mo, ilo-lowered mo na sagad, and ipapasok mo na agad sa car show. What if
Wala na lang major awards para sa mga car show? Kasi yung major awards, isa lang naman yung mabibigyan ng award eh. Lagi ba dapat may second place, may third place? Kahit naman sa buhay, hindi kailangan yun eh. So what if major awards na lang?
What if kung libre ang car show? What if kung ang mga judge mo, veterano, hindi yung kung sino-sino lang na nakuha dyan? What if there's some kind of car show na mapapa-prepare ka kahit alam mo sa sarili mong show car na yung kotse mo? What if kung yung car show is maibabalik kung ano talaga ang true meaning of car show? So kung mabalik yung tuwa ng lahat ng umuuwi na may awards and then may uuwing talo para alam nila sa sarili nila na kailangan nilang baguhin or kailangan nilang magdagdag ng upgrade sa kotse nila. Ayoko ng car shows na pumunta ka kahit sa auto mo, may award ka makukuha. Business eh. Mahirap yan. Sana magkaroon ng car show na ganyan. Sana.
Drop concepts to make the fires burn. As my movements prepare me a list to ball up my fist in rhythms like this. The melodies I persist. Do this blindfolded like a sensual kiss. Can't see me like I'm covered in mist. And as you take what I got from the shop, the funky rhythm in the blues, hip hop, climactic bumping like the break drop.